Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Aarsun. Friends, another teak wood design, and this one is in full wood. So front, back, sides, everywhere we have teak wood on this unit. And this is along with two side tables, a king size unit without storage, and a nicely carved full carving as you see on the back. This is in high gloss finish, teak finish. And this one is going to Latur, Maharashtra. The design is a fully carved one, as you can see on the back, without any cushion. A lot of people like without cushion things, and this is one of the designs you can have a look at if you are looking for something without cushions in the front and back, both sides. The height of the back is 5 feet, and the height of the front till this point is 2.5 feet. And this one has a raised front. If you see here, there is a lot of space between the ground and the front part. And in such units, we generally have the without storage part, just like the one you are looking at now. This doesn't have a storage, and this is made for a mattress size of 8 inches. Even if you see the side of this unit, this has got complete wood and a lot of carving on the sides as well. So all sides fully carved teak wood and without any cushions, a full wood unit as you see here. This cot comes with the two side tables. The size is 20 by 15 and the height is 22 inches. Again in wood with a drawer and a cabinet, and the design matches the design of the bed. With this unit, I like to mention a few points also. First is about the wood. See, this is not pressing. The carving that you see here, this is done on actual wood. These are not the moldings that are pasted on MDF or ply. This is done on the actual wood, and similarly on the front part. So if you see on the front or go towards the back, even the back would show you the highlighting, the grains of the wood. Now here if you see at the back, you will see the grains of the wood clearly visible. So this unit is completely wood. Generally, when you go to a nearest store and find something of carving, and the places where carving work is not available, the artisans are not available, what they do is they take the moldings and then they press on the ply or MDF to get you the carving look. We don't do that. We make on actual wood, and that's why you get the stuff like this. And when we make in real wood, the stuff is not cheap. So our furniture is not cheap. We don't sell cheap furniture. The designs, the colors, the look, everything is your choice. You want it darker color, we can do it. Or if you want it in paints like golden, silver, copper, and white, off-white, or other colors, that can be done as per your requirement. The work is the work of the artisans. This is not carpenter's job. Nice carving, and the design is done as per the client's requirement. Going to Maharashtra, if you want anywhere in India, let us know. We'll design that and work that according to your requirement and deliver to your place. We provide home delivery across India. Outside India also, we deliver to most of the places. So you can contact us and we will get the cost as per your requirement of the volume and the delivery place. Rest, the work is in front of you. Hope you like this. Request for a few comment of yours. Thank you so much.